Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In this one I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic August box, which is this one here. I do like the design of the box, you guys. What do you think of the colors? I think it looks beautiful. All right, let's go ahead find out what kind of products we have for this month. Also, I'm going to link my July box down below. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. All right, you guys, let's get unboxing. You know, we do not waste time over here. No sir, no sir. All right, first thing is first, we do get a magazine, which is this one right here, and it says togetherness, let's get together again. All right, let's begin the process of finding out what kind of products we are receiving. So first thing is first, you guys, we are getting a product from Bath and Body, and this one is Bath Feather. Okay, this one right here, you guys, and this one has rhubarb and custard. Okay, I did receive one in my gloss box advent calendar. I used it. Oh, it was so beautiful, scent. So I'm excited about this one here. So that's the first product we are receiving, which is quite wonderful. Yeah, let's move on. Next up, of course, we have this product here, which I'm really excited about the minute I saw it. And this one, it said it is a mask remover from Glove, which is this one here. So you guys, I love to use a cloth like this, of course, to remove my makeup or my mask, because they are re-washable. You can chuck them in the machine, or wash them and reuse them again. I like the idea of that. So this is really exciting, for my mask. Yeah, I'm excited already. So that is the second product. Moving on, we have, oh, this was a sneak peek that we saw in the July box, you guys. It is from Seattle Lantern, and it is their Glow to Illuminating Blush. Oh, okay, this is nice. It's definitely a beautiful color. I like how it gives you that glow. I have too much going on at the moment that I would apply some, but I would test this later and update you guys. But I really like the color of this, something that I see myself using. So already excited. The next product I see in this box is from Skimono. I have never heard of this brand before, and this one is their eye sheet mask. It says here Radiance Recovery 4C, and we have some instructions at the back on how to use it. So I am quite excited to be trying this product here. All right, moving on, you guys, we have a product from Ahava or Ava, and this one is their smoothing body lotion. Superfood, has kale and turmeric in it. Oh, I like that, kale and turmeric. I think those sounds really amazing. The next product here is from Philoga, and this one is their Age Purify Intense Serum. We are getting 7 milliliters of product, so it is a sample. Just checking to make sure that I haven't missed anything. I believe that was everything, you guys, for this month. I'm already excited for this cloth over here. I cannot wait to use it, and of course fill up the bath with water and go ahead use this one here. I'm excited for that as well. And the blush, I think this looks beautiful. I like what I'm seeing here, and the rest of the product, of course, I will try them, test them, and then maybe update you guys in another video. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.